Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm back. This part 2. Got the throttle. It ain't as good as I thought it would be, but it's because I need this mounted right here. This throttle cable, I need it mounted. But it's good. Everything's back together. Got the 42 sprocket. I think the 10 tooth clutch. It runs, but this needs adjusted. The throttle needs adjusted. So once I find that bracket, I'll give y'all part 3. I can try to start it right quick just to give y'all a clue of what I'm talking about. That. So stay tuned for part 3, and I'm gonna put the bracket on somewhere right here like I seen in the video, and we out.